Good morning everyone, welcome to VidCon day 2. So I literally just woke up kind of late. Ooh, somebody has a boosted board over there. I don't know if you can see, but I woke up kind of late. I was like, oh, half hour more, and then I went to bed and apparently it was another hour and a half more. But I'm at the Anaheim Convention Center North where the creator building is. I'm gonna go in the creator lounges, maybe meet up with some friends, and then go to the Hyatt and eat because they have free food there, so yeah.
Ira, eso já me mekinem galutun.
Okay guys, I was just mulling around the creator lounge, got a latte. I'm actually gonna head over to the Hyatt now just to see what's going on. I know James and Matt, they're gonna go to the Hyatt, but I think they're gonna go like a little bit later on, and I kinda wanna go now. So what's cool about these passes that we have a shuttle that can take us all the way to the Hyatt, so I'm really excited to check it out. But it's cool, and there's food trucks over here. There's a lot of places to eat. This guy's vlogging to the left of me. And so I just was walking through the lobby and I saw Casey Neistat just like eating casually, and I'm like, yeah, oh my god. And I also just did a virtual reality thing, that was really cool.
What? Jesus is back.
Sorry.
I was Jack Sparrow last year. You not remember me?
Guys, it's Jesus. Jesus has risen.
You're clearly
He just blessed his water. That's amazing. Okay.
There you go. Now it's really
perfect. Hey guys, so James, Matt, and I, we're at the full screen lounge right now, just checking it out. They have some really good macaroni salad, and they have some ping pong, and I'm so excited. I want to play. So yeah. Holy shit! I literally just saw Molly Burke, Joey Graceffa, and Gina from Prank vs. Prank all within a 15-minute span. And I'm just like, oh my god. So James is 1 subscriber away from 100,000 subscribers.
We're at VidCon.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
1, 2, 3.
It's gonna take a second for it to upload. You know, I'll do it.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Woo! 100,000. That's amazing. Here you are. Oh, wow. That's so amazing. Woo! That is so cool. Hello, I'm here with Molly's mom. Then here's Gallop. Gallop, oh, he's so cute. That's Gallop and Molly's mom right there. So they have so much food here. They have so much food here, but the problem is everything has meat in it. They had like tater tots, they had bacon on it, they had fries, they had bacon on it, and they had meat. So I managed to get guacamole and tater tots without bacon on it. So I got some stuff. There's a magician here.
Great, by the way.
I love that show.
Wait,
My daughter's favorite trick, so I got to start with it.
Of course.
it's fake, it's fake, it's fake. Oh. Wait, what just happened? Wait.
I'm gonna try.
Please don't turn it back into a bubble.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Man, I lost it.
Wait.
I'm gonna tweak. The money, red,
Wow. That was such an amazing party. It was at the House of Blues, right here. It was so amazing. I basically partied with Tana and her friends, and it was amazing. And she's like still like 20 feet away from me, and she's amazing. Okay. Hey guys, so I again forgot to end my vlog because I get super tired and possibly a little drunk. Yeah, just called my roommates. But I basically forgot to end the vlog. I just want to say last night the party was the most fun I've ever had. I feel bad, sorry. I'm like, it's the most fun I've ever had. My voice is actually a little gone. I met the one guy from Zoe 101.
The fuck? The dude with the curls?
No, Zoe's brother Dustin. He was there. He was he was there. I freaking, you know, saw Tana, Ashley. I think I told you last night, but I don't know if you remember. You know Mario Salmon.
You told
me? I told you. Oh, do you know who that is?
Yes, but you didn't tell me that.
Okay. Well, maybe. Oh, well, Mario Salmon. He was right next to me, and he stepped on my foot. And then he like turned around and he was like, oh my god, did I step on your foot? And I was like, yeah. And he's like, oh, I'm so sorry. Whatever. He was like so nice about it. I did tell you.
I feel like you.
Yeah. I did tell you. But it was so amazing. So I forgot to end this vlog, so I'm going to end it now. So please like this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and follow me on all my social media at iChrisbtv right here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. VidCon day 3. Okay, bye.
Who the f is Shawn Mendes?
Help me. It's like the walls are caving in. I need somebody right now. Please don't stop from wherever the hell. I need somebody right now. Please don't stop. Wait, help me. It's like the walls are caving in. I need someone to help me in. But you're